Ganila lang kayo. So I am here today with sa inyong group.
RR.
And asa ning like asa inyong group?
So our group is Team Davao Alliance, and we're invited to set up the arcade booth. So as you can see here, yan, ito, medyo finifix pa, but this is the Dance Evolution arcade. And then, dito, may Switch games. And then, we have Tekken there, Dance Dance Revo, and then meron tayong Project Diva. We also have other games like Mario Kart, and then, dito, and Initial D, which is right here. So, Initial D. Mario Kart din kami from time to time. So, basically, yan yung ano namin. Yes. There's a steering wheel, yeah. So, basically, this is our booth where we set up this arcade. And I hope everybody could come here, enjoy. Mura lang po. Hindi po kami ganun kamahal. Hindi pangmasa po kami. So, if you guys want to enjoy, have fun, you can come here. You can talk to us as well. And if you have some requested arcade games, kung meron sa arsenal namin, we can provide as well.
Asra ko like usa ba mo technically murag exhibitor magyapon mo or
Technically, we are exhibitor, but also partly, any proceeds here will go for the maintenance of the equipment para in the future we could be able to provide more fun, and at the same time we could be able to provide more attractions as well.
tingala bit ako sa kadagang mga computer dire sa onyo.
Actually, yeah, it's really a computer, but our goal is really arcade. So hopefully you guys can come here, enjoy, and come with your friends as well. And also we're open for invitations as well. If you want to set up your arcade, we can talk. You can just contact us at our page, Team Davao Alliance.
Kanang Team Davao Alliance sa may ginabuhat ana.
Basically, we are part of the a certain community na nanganak siya. So kami yung product nun, and basically we are the support group of the fighting game community, but we have been expanded to other dimensions such as this arcade, since mahilig kami sa games and we want to bring back the nostalgia of the arcade.
And for example lang na karang kutay ako murag dili man ko karang di kay ko familiar sa mga games. Like, ano mo ma-suggest na maka-start ko?
Yeah, let's start with the most basic, Dance Dance Revolution. That's very common. Meron pang Tekken, the arcade, the usual arcade games of fighting games. You will never get wrong with that. You can play Tekken. But if you want some new attractions, we have the arcade version of Project Diva, and we also have Mario Kart or Initial D if you're into driving simulation. Ganon.
Like, for example, maulaw ko dre amad to. But like, example lang, like, gusto ko mag-try o ako sa balay, how do I start sa balay?
You want to start
like,
balay?
like, karang secret lang ba yan? How do I start?
There are a lot of ways. Actually, the internet is open now. So there are a lot of ways that you can have an arcade. But to make it into something in business, it's somewhat in a gray area. But if you're gonna start for fun, there's nothing wrong. Maraming applications. Even sa Steam, you can download something on Steam. If you have Steam, you can download some sort of an emulator where you can get your arcade games. If you just want to try it on your personal, and then of course it comes with a cost, of course, because you need to, for example, if you want to have this one, Initial D or Mario Kart, of course you need a wheel, and that's not, diba? You need a wheel, so you need to save for that. That's Dance Revo, if you could still find hindi kailangan bumili or magpagawa ng mahal na, na pad for Dance Dance Revolution. if you could find some thrift stores, like this one, oh, if you could find some thrift stores here na merong soft pad, you can buy one and then bahala na kayo anong gagawin nyo sa kung home setting, hindi nyo kailangan ng platform, you can just put it on your floor and then just go dancing. And if you still have your PlayStation 1 with you or PlayStation 2, it's also useful. You can use the pads. Ganon.
And since daghan may mga gamit rin, pwede ba kung mag-ask mga tagpila, siguro PC or something, mga laptop, computer,
Sa PC, at least mga nasa 2,000, you need video card. I suggest you need a video card, especially for those may mga high graphics na. Exception dito yung Tekken, kasi Tekken 8 na ngayon, we have PlayStation 5, so you can, if you can afford to buy one, you buy one. But at least you have a video card of the 1050 if you want something na medyo 3D na medyo magaan. But the heavier the graphics it is, you need a higher resolution for that. So it's expensive actually. It's like you're doing a gaming rig. It's expensive in somewhat ganun.
mahal ba ng mga PlayStation na and all?
Depende. You can go to Data Blitz, ask them. As far as I know, it's around 30K isang unit. I think that's slim and even the original or the fat version. But yeah, once you have it, it's worth it kasi you can play some AAA games. Somewhat Data Blitz kaya 30,000 please. But yeah, that's the price. But basically that's it. But once as long as you have a good rig, you can be able to play arcade games.
So mahal dyan din siya na hobby, kinda.
Yes, it is expensive in a way kasi may maintenance mo rin yung and then you will have some gamit na kailangan mo to be able to play, to visibly play the game. So yeah, that's basically the
Then space pa dyan sa balay, no?
yeah, space sa bahay. Make sure na meron ka talagang space, else may hirapan ka mag-store.
So sa suggestion ni mo sa mga gusto mag-start, like in general, like
And in games, number one, you need to think of what is the game that you really want to play. Kasi in the long run, that will be your base. And mahirap kasi na you start to play and then di mo lalaroin in the long run. Mahirap yun.
then pila ka thousand na.
Yeah. So you need to think of what you want to play, and then you need to save so that you can be able to afford playing, not only playing but to buy the game, especially if you're into Steam games. So yeah, you need to save you need to save a lot basically. I hope you enjoyed being here with us. Tambay po dire.
Until Sunday na eh.
Yeah. So thank you.
Ganina pa ko naulaw, but yeah.